Hey friends, if you encounter the error, additional free space is needed on the drive where Windows is installed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run disk cleanup. Okay, so search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and then select delete files. The next solution is to run the check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r /f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is to clean install Windows. Okay. Now this is something that I suggest getting done by a hardware technician because it's a little complicated procedure even if you have a bootable USB drive, and this will fix the problem, but not if you are upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11 and your system was set for the former one. The reason is that Windows 10 needs up to 16 GB of space, even the 64-bit version, and Windows 11 needs 64 GB. So you will have to, I will give you a last solution, add a hard drive or change the hard drive with one of higher disk space. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.